Hi, this is Ken Carfagno from C3 Carfagno Commercial Cleaning out of the Philadelphia area. There'd be no way that I could do this trip if it wasn't for the swept tool that I've been using now for about a year and a half in our commercial cleaning business. Big shout out, big thank you to Michael Brown and the whole swept team for building this product, allowing me to be in sunny Florida a second year for a month with one person as a assistant team leader, kind of like an assistant field manager position, on the ground, doing inspections, doing supplies. And how is he able to do those things? Swept. How am I able to have the other six cleaners know where to go and know how to do what they have to do, how to follow the checklist, and when they have questions, where do they go to watch training videos? Swept. And anything that has to get questioned or asked during the course of this month, it's been able to go through swept, most of them. So the swept tool has allowed me to outsource a lot of my brain. So I'm just so thankful for the swept team, because without it I would not be here in Florida. So again, thank you very much. So if you're a new user of swept or a prospective user of swept, my advice is to take the plunge, to get the tool, invest the money, and it will pay off. I can't tell you how valuable it has been to us. I mean, look, we're in Florida. I would not be in Florida and probably working this past month, I mean, less than 5 hours a week, 3 to 5 hours a week, just to keep the business maintained. A couple things have come up too. A couple customer complaints, employee call up, those things have happened. It helps to have a manager on the ground, but swept has been huge. So signing off, going back on my walk, enjoying the last bit of Florida we have. Thank you, swept team.